Hello, beauty. So, today we're gonna do a unbox with me.
Boy, if you don't get...
I've been wanting this for a long time. A very long time. It's so cute. So, I have me a Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa. I need to open it and see. I did use Adrian Ballon's coupon code, and I think I got like 90, was it 90? Maybe $90. I will insert the little coupon code right here, right across. It might be down here somewhere, but you'll be able to see it, which coupon code I use exactly, so you can get it off as well. I think it ended up being like $30, which made like $40 because you have to pay like tax and all of that. So like $45. That's not bad. And I am excited to use it because I've been wanting to use it for the longest. So 3 different brush heads for your unique skincare routine. So there's a daily cleansing brush, an exfoliating brush, and a silicone brush. I'm excited to use a silicone brush though. And I did get it in pink. It's my favorite color, pink. It's so cute. Okay, so in the box, well, oh, it's so soft.
Bruh.
So the first one that they automatically have on the brush is the daily cleansing brush. This is what it looks like, if you can see. And then it has like the trim of pink around it, and the little button here is also pink. The case is also pink too, which is cute. So yes, there's that one, and then this one is the exfoliating. I don't know. I mean, this one is probably more like if you're gonna, like when you do exfoliate, you know, your skin and all that. So you probably don't use this one. This one is a no.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
For every day. So now, and then we have the silicone brush head, which is just, so I'm probably gonna use this one a lot because my skin is very, very sensitive. Like, I have some very sensitive skin. I don't like it, but I have it. So this one is very soft. You can pack it in your bag, in your suitcase or whatever, and you can take it with you, or you can just leave it like on your countertop in your bathroom, and you can use it there. So yes, I'm glad it came with that, like the casing and everything. Okay, so it's supposed to cleanse, exfoliate. There's 2 speeds, so it's low and high speed, and cruelty free, which is good. 3 different brush heads, like I read earlier. The daily cleansing brush, ultra soft bristles, use every day for a clear complexion. The exfoliating brush, firmer bristles, use 2 to 3 times a week for a deeper clean. And then the silicone brush, gentle bristles, use daily. Great for those with sensitive skin. So me, I have sensitive skin, and so it removes hard to get makeup and sweat, sweeps away dirt, debris, and dead skin cells. Includes 3 brush heads, dual speed rotating head, the travel case for on-the-go routines, and then it's powered by 2 AA batteries, which are not included. So make sure that you get you some AA batteries. And pop them batteries in there, and you can do your skin and all of that. So if you like these type of unboxing videos, make sure that you let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video whenever I post. And yeah.
I think that is all for the day.
Let me know what other videos you would like to see in the future. And yes, so have a blessed day, beauties. Have a blessed day, beauties. Night, evening, whenever you're watching this one, make sure that you have a blessed one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Itsadeathing. And thank you so much for watching my video. And I love you guys. Bye, beauties.